Ah, such je ne sais quoi. This little village called Sabara in the southwest of France, at the foot of the Pyrenees, provides a wonderful backdrop for today's traditional French recipe, the iconic soupe aux choux, cabbage soup. This is the Ariège region, famous for mountainous scenery as well as its massive network of caves, and this one at Madazil has the D19 main road running right through it. To be honest, I'm relieved to re-emerge at the other end into daylight. It's encouraging to see that the town of Madazil retains much of its old charm. Just down the Ariège river, the lovely little village of Sabara. Now, there are many different versions of the soupe aux choux, but here's one that few could take issue with, all the most typical ingredients. A nice curly cabbage, onion, carrot, salt pork belly or slab bacon, a turnip if available, potato, garlic, duck fat in the southwest, otherwise lard, butter or olive oil, or even a combination of any of these. Cheese, the grating varieties Gruyère, Emmental, Comté, etc. A country-style loaf of bread, as well as some light refreshments for the cook. Ah, and over here, a light chicken broth is already underway. So firstly, in a good dollop of fat, the coarsely diced onion and carrots and the pork lardons are gently cooked until softened. Seasoning as you go. Now the garlic is thrown in and gently sweated, being careful never to colour it at all, this being French cooking, not Spanish. Quarter the cabbage and cut out the central core like so. Now don't worry about overdoing the cabbage. It'll cook down tremendously, so really do fill up your pot. The boiling chicken stock is poured over to cover and allow it to do its thing whilst you do yours for a good half an hour to 40 minutes. The potato and turnip join the cabbage at this stage for a final 30 minutes of gentle simmering. The cheesy croutons are melted and lightly browned in the oven or under the grill, et voilà. Also a classic of French cinema, La Soupe aux Choux, served to a visiting alien, embodies an old-fashioned rural way of life that's sadly giving way to modernity.
La soupe aux choux, mon Blaise, ça parfume jusqu'au trognon. Ça fait du bien partout, qu'elle passe dans les boyaux, ça tient.
So join me again as I catalogue more traditional dishes from the lovely Ariège. Bon appétit et large soif.